Exercise D says we should change the following decimal numbers to percentages. And just like I said, you are to multiply the decimal number by 100 and it gives you its equivalent in percentage. So 0.35 being expressed as a percentage is for you to multiply it by 100. And when you multiply a decimal number by 100, it simply means you are moving the decimal number 2 times to your right, because we have 2 zeros in the 100. So this is equal to 35%. B, you also multiply this by 100, and when you move it 2 times, it gives you 40%. C, you multiply C by 100, it gives you 38%. And when you multiply D by 100, it gives you 2%. E, multiply it by 100, this is said to be 25%. And F, when you multiply it by 100, it is said to be 5%. G, you multiply by 100, this is equal to, when you move the decimal point twice, it gives you 12.5%. I hope you are following. H, you multiply this by 100, it gives you 33%. While I, when you multiply it by 100, it is said to be equal to 10%. For you move the decimal point twice. J, you multiply it by 100, this is said to be 75%. I'm going to leave K and L for you to solve as an assignment. All you need to do is to multiply them by 100 and express it as a percentage. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while you can share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take exercise D.